Hey ladies, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Agatha, and in this tutorial today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the benefit of saffron and cloves together for your hair. Okay, if this is your first time on clicking on my video, please do well to be part of this family by simply subscribing, and also like this video so other people can see it too. This is a very beneficial video for you, your health and your hair. So before I go further, I'm going to be listing some benefits of saffron to your hair before I go into the process of how you can use this saffron in your hair. So let's go there. Saffron repairs damaged hair. It's a very perfect ingredient for hair growth. It works for all hair types. It repairs the scalp and hair. Saffron reduces hair breakage and revives damaged hair. And it is also known to improve blood circulation and accelerate new cell. So this in turn improves hair growth. And it is also known to help alopecia, which is also known as bald scalp. Saffron purifies the scalp and pores. And it also protects the hair against harmful external factors like the cosmetic, relaxers and all of that. Some hair creams you use, some leave-in conditioner, those are not natural stuff, of course. So saffron is also known to straighten the roots of your hair, and it gives the hair a smooth, moisturized look with healthy gloss. We all know what a moisturized look is for, like what the word is for your hair to always look moisturized and feel moisturized. Saffron do this work for you. So without saying more or beating around saffron, let's go to how we can use saffron in our hair. If you want to know more about saffron, you can go and read about it. So let's go there. So we are going to take some quantity of saffron and some quantity of clove, put them in a container that is coverable, that has a cover. Then just like what you are seeing right now, put them together. Then you're going to add water to it and cover up for 24 hours. Let this last for 24 hours. No heat, nothing. Just keep it for 24 hours. Then you're going to sieve it, put it in your spray bottle and spray on your scalp daily as you wish. If you wish weekly, depends on how you want your result to be. If you want fast result, you can go on daily. But this saffron mixed with clove, it's not just like water. There's some oil to it. It has oil, so it's just like you're oiling your hair every day. Spray it on your scalp, massage it. That's all. Next day, spray it on your scalp again, massage it, scalp, and massage it. This really helped me. I'm not saying this is what grew my hair to this length. My hair has started having issues, having small undergrowth under it, but this saffron and clove together really helped the growth of my hair. It brought my hair back like I can't even say. So at this point, I will say thank you for watching my video to this point. I know this will definitely benefit you, benefit your health, your hair. Read more about saffron. It has a lot of benefits for your health as well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video so that what you have seen, other people with issues of hair will see also. So please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.